Today we're gonna make a chocolate cake and I promise the recipe is super simple. Hey there, I'm here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're making a chocolate cake from scratch. Now this recipe is super easy and the entire family can help out. And just a little secret, this cake is super moist and rich and it tastes absolutely divine. So without further ado, let's get started. Now the first step is to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and then you are gone. Now want to grease and flour a 9 by 13-inch baking pan. You also want to make sure that you have all of your ingredients before you get started. Today we're using cocoa powder, eggs, flour, butter, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is cream together the butter and the sugar. Now you want to cream this together until the mixture looks like this. It should be light and fluffy, and once it looks like this, we're going to go ahead and add our eggs one at a time. Now after each addition, you want to mix it up really well. After the third egg, it should look something like this. If it doesn't look like this, you probably added too much flour or maybe you didn't mix it well enough. Either way, just go ahead and add another egg and then mix it up. But most likely you're fine. Just make sure that you scrape the sides and the bottom of the bowl after each addition. After the eggs are fully incorporated, we're gonna set this to the side. And in a separate bowl, we're going to sift together the flour, cocoa, and salt. Now I'm using a rubber spatula to combine everything. And once it looks like this, we're going to go ahead and pour it into the wet ingredients. Now we're going to gently fold this together until it's just combined. Do not overbeat this. And once it looks like this, we're ready to pour it into our pan. Now I like to spread the batter evenly using a spatula, and if you have any extra batter you can always just pour it on top. Then we are gonna bake this in a preheated oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. Now I like to insert a toothpick in the center just to make sure that it's done. If it comes out clean, we're good to go. If not, we need to bake it a little bit longer. And once it's finished baking, we are gone now. Let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes before we slice it up and serve. And that right there is your super moist and delicious chocolate cake. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe for more delicious recipes. And happy baking!